Hi, I'm Scott at PLP Battery Supply. I'm part of the team there, and we had an email from a customer. We were trying to diagnose their rectifier in their charger, and after reviewing the email, we found that he wasn't exactly getting the same readings that we were, and we got to digging into that, and so we're going to talk a little bit about how we check the rectifiers before we finish packing them and sending them out to the customer. So right here I have this 696-640. It would be a replacement for this big fleet charger here. It's a 100 amp positive base rectifier. And don't forget a koozie. So, when we complete the build, the assembly here, we check for a positive rectifier. We check with the positive lead onto the plate and the negative lead onto the diode array, and you get continuity on the meter. We check both sides, got good continuity. And then to check if the diode is correct in there, we then swap the leads and go negative onto the plate and positive onto the diode array, where you see we do not have continuity, and we check both sides. So in the email that I was talking about previously, we use this analog meter, and the customer we found out was using a digital meter. So if you take a digital multimeter, you turn it to the diode check function, and just like I did here with the negative, or with the positive, I'm sorry, positive onto the plate and negative onto the diode array, there's no reading. No reading. So then if you swap, if you go negative onto the plate and positive onto the diode, you have your resistance reading. So it's kind of well, exactly backwards, an analog meter compared to a digital meter. That's definitely some information that we'd like to share. If you have any other questions about rectifiers and what you need to fix yours, give us a call at PLP Battery Supply. We'd be happy to help.